Hello guys, welcome to Daily Current Affairs series. Today we will discuss about 4th October current affairs. Myself Sunny Sandeep. Welcome to our channel Gear Up for Group 1 exam. Let us discuss the today's important current affairs. The first one, Atal Tunnel. Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji dedicated to the nation the world's longest highway tunnel, that is Atal Tunnel. It is the remembrance of former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Here we have to see the what are the significant features or what are the silent features of this Atal Tunnel, that is world's longest highway tunnel. Here if you see the length, that is 9.02 kilometers. Here the shape is horseshoe. Located below the Rohtang Pass, it connects Manali to Lahul Spiti Valley. Distance reduced, that is 46 kilometer distance reduced from this one. Here what is the time saved from this one by constructing this highest world's longest highway tunnel, that is 5 hours. If you see that it is constructed at the altitude of 3000 meter above MSL, that is mean sea level, single tube and double lane tunnel. Here maximum vehicle speed is 80 km per hour. Telephone facility is there, fire hydrant facility is there, emergency exists also there for every 500 meters, and turning cavern, that is every 2.2 km. Air quality monitor also is there in this world's longest highway tunnel, that is Atal Tunnel. Automatic incident detection system with CCTV cameras every 250 meters are there. Here this project, that is highway tunnel, Atal Bihari Vajpayee laid the foundation stone for the approach road to the tunnel, that is in 2002. Now this Modi ji has completed that tunnel, that is Atal Tunnel, that is the world's longest highway tunnel. Next one, we have seen a leakage of WhatsApp chat recent days. That's why Diffie-Hellman key exchange is in use. That's why we will discuss about Diffie-Hellman key exchange. Since 2016, WhatsApp has installed an end-to-end encryption system which ensures only you and the person you are communicating with can read what's sent, and nobody in between, not even WhatsApp, can read your messages or text. That's why that WhatsApp using end-to-end key exchange, that is public key exchange, that is Diffie-Hellman key exchange. Here the technology that forms the basis for this called is Diffie-Hellman key exchange. How it will work we will see now. It is a method of securely exchanging cryptographic keys over a public channel and was one of the first public key protocols as conceived by Ralph Merkle and named after Whitefield Diffie and Martin Hellman. That's why we will call it as a Diffie-Hellman key exchange. That is very useful for to know the how this WhatsApp chat or WhatsApp is text is going on. Next one, center to waive compound interest on loans up to 2 crore for 6 months. Here we have seen that there is a moratorium period given from March to September, that is August ending, that is almost 6 months. Now after petition in Supreme Court in relief to the individual borrowers and medium small industries, the center has agreed in the Supreme Court to waive the compound interest. Here we have to know that what is the meaning of compound interest, that is interest on interest. Suppose we have taken a loan of 1 lakh, that is a principal amount we will call it as, on that there is a interest. If suppose it is calculated on the compound interest, we will call it as a interest on interest charged on loans up to 2 crore rupees for a 6 months moratorium period announced due to the COVID-19. That is, we have seen that from March to August ending, the government will seek the due authorization from Parliament for making the appropriate grants in this regard. That's why center to waive the compound interest on loans up to 2 crore for 6 months. Next one, it is very interesting and worth knowing article. Why? Because Indian textiles. Here the diversity in our textiles that shows the richness of our culture. Here the Indian Council for Cultural Relations, that is ICCR, and Uttar Pradesh Institute of Design organized the webinar on the theme weaving relations, textiles traditions. There are different types of textiles are there in India. What are they? First of all, if you want to see in Andhra Pradesh, if Andhra Pradesh has the Kalamkari, Mugas, Kalamkari, Kalankari is famous in Andhra Pradesh. Muga silk is a Assam's pride. Here, if you see that in Kashmir, it is home to the Pashmina. Pulkaris, Fulkaris add pride to the Punjabi's culture. If you see the Gujarat is famous for patolas. Banaras has made a mark for its saris. Here there is a Chanderi fabric in Madhya Pradesh and vibrant Sambalpuri fabric in Odisha. That's why Andhra Pradesh, Assam, Kashmir, Punjab, Gujarat, and Madhya Pradesh and Odisha have the different types of their unique textiles. That's why we have to see that the diversity in our textiles shows the richness of our culture. With this we can conclude our video. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to our channel. Gear up for Group 1 exam. This is Sunny Sandeep signing out. Take care and bye bye.